things that strikes you while watching the Osprey fly is how quiet it is, making it a very much an ideal platform for covert special operations work as performed by the CV-22s in service with AFSOC, Air Force Special Operations Command. Well, we've seen the engines, a pair of Rolls-Royce Allison AE1107C turboshafts of more than 6,200 shaft horsepower each. The first flight of the prototype Osprey was made in March 1989. The US Marine Corps received its first CV-22B model, which we've seen here at the Air Tattoo in the past, for training purposes in March 2000, and they became operational in 2005. The CV-22B models like this one of the Air Force were first delivered for test duties in September 2000. Training commenced in August 2006. And operational capability came in early 2007. So the aircraft, which has flown straight in from Mildenhall, has now landed on, ready to get airborne again in a very short rolling takeoff. And here again you can see close up that transition. Machine gun on the rear ramp. We may be able to see that when the aircraft comes to the hover and maneuvers in front of us. Also on board a hoist and the fast roping equipment required for the rapid infiltration and exfiltration of those special ops forces. They can also, of course, jump off the rear ramp. This CV-22B and the MV-22B operated by the Marine Corps are numerous. This one has more fuel capacity. It's also operated by 4 crew members as opposed to the 3 in the Marine Corps, in the low-level environment that's so important for special ops work. It was the 58th Special Operations Wing at Kirtland Air Force Base in New Mexico that started crew training with the first 2 production aircraft in August 2006. First Special Operations Wing at Hobart Field in Florida received the first operational CV-22B. Now back to slow speed. The aircraft will be coming into ground centre for a little bit of hovering work. As I say, you should see, if they do what they did yesterday, on the rear ramp, that ramp-mounted machine gun, because this is a very versatile aircraft. There are something going on. Very smart indeed. No gun on the rear ramp today, I notice.